Alright, it's late at night, so I'm going to do a little bit of work that's somewhat quiet. I need to put the spoiler on this. I don't know how you guys do it, but when I did it on this, it ended up turning out perfect. And I just lined it up where I wanted, made some reference marks, and then put tape on the bottom side. And then just poked in the holes where I wanted it. And then transferred it over. So I would flip the tape, put it on here, and then just mark where I wanted on the hatch. And then I also made the holes big enough to where you had enough room. If it was slightly off, and you could adjust it. Alright, so I just got this laid down. Just kind of marking it out. If I had some transfer screws, I would just thread them into the spoiler and just kind of push down and transfer where I want it. But I don't have any of that size, so we're doing it this way. And then I got this lined up so it's right on the edge there and on the edge there. Alright, so everything's trimmed. The new hatch is marked. We got the holes cut out. Now we're going to peel this off without ruining it, hopefully.